I've made hundreds and thousands of dollars just by using a dev-based strategy that almost nobody is talking about. And that's why in today's video, I am breaking it all down step by step. Now, $8 million from this wallet did not grow overnight. It took multiple launches every single day for a couple fucking months straight. It grew because I stopped trading and I started deving them. Now, the truth is, bro, creeping up to 2026, trading meme coins is designed to make you lose. Let me tell you why, okay? Every single time you buy inside a meme coin, bro, nowadays, it will go to zero. And guess who is winning? No, it is not the traders, but it's the devs of these coins. Launching completely flips the game in your favor. You are basically creating coins, waiting for buyers organically, then dumping it for profits. And guess what, bro? Only 1% of traders are actually deving. The other 99% are just losing money on stupid coins. Now that's exactly why I am making this video. I am ungatekeeping the method. I will do a step-by-step tutorial on how to launch a token, and obviously, bro, flip $0 into like 1.5k or some shit. Anyways, keep watching. And by the way, bro, this entire video was made for educational purposes only. Okay, so it is not financial advice. This whole video is made with AI. Cap! Now, a lot of people are asking me every single day, where do I make my meme coins, bro? Jay, help me. Well, please, bro, do not make your coins on Pump.Fun anymore, bro. It's not convenient for devs, and if you want to get to that next level into profits, bro, you just have to launch your coins on external launch pads. Now, Pump.Fun is overcrowded and noisy. There's too many coins and not enough attention for your meme coins personally, okay? Your meme coin has to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to migrate onto the Raydium DEX, and by launching your coins on Pump.Fun, you will not achieve that goal. But if you use create coins.io, that's a different story, because all your coins on this launchpad launches straight to the Raydium DEX, where it gets immediately migrated and it will be viewed to a bunch of trenchers live on the spot, bro. The power of launching on Raydium is actually insane. I will even do a live example into this video. Anyways, bro, if you want to get real volume and actual buyers and actually organic fucking buys, you guys have to be using this launchpad. Now, there's two different ways to go about it when you want to launch / dev a coin on this launchpad. Now, the first method is to launch from scratch. It's a quick setup and it's really good. So first of all, go on X, go on Reddit, go on TikTok, and look for a narrative that suits your meme coin. Well, that could be turned into a meme coin. For example, bro, if I go on Elon Musk, his tweets usually converts really well into coins and makes a lot of money, bro. Back in the day, bro, just by launching a Elon Musk tweet coin, bro, you would make a lot of fucking money. Now, because of the trenches, it's a bit harder, but you can still make a couple hundred, even a couple $1,000. Anyways, come back to createcoins.io, invent a name, add a symbol, then add a quick image for that coin, and just like that, bro, it's simple as that. Your meme coin is live on chain. But the second way, right, to create a coin is by copying trending coins, and this is the most profitable approach. Let me explain why. These coins already have traffic all in this list, so copying them will bring you instant buyers and faster profits in your coin, because you're copying coins that are already working and that are going viral, so you can at least make a fraction of what these coins are making. Alright, I am launching this token now, so you can see the exact steps from start to finish, and you can follow along right after, or I don't know, bro. It's up to you, okay? Now, here, connect your Phantom wallet, then click on refresh list, and now copy a coin that, you know, just choose one, right? I'm going to choose, I don't know, Pete. The Pete coin looks kind of funny. It has a last buy 2 seconds ago, so let's create this coin. Click right here. Wait a bit. Ignore the block from Phantom. Click on proceed, confirm. Click right here, confirm. And then the coin should be created in a couple seconds. Well, copied, well, it's the same thing, right? And boom, if I go in source scan, you guys can see that it is live on chain. Everything is just working, right? It was created 9 seconds ago. Anyways, click on create liquidity pool, Now this part is simple. We're adding liquidity so your meme coin becomes tradable on the Raydium DEX instantly to all the fucking public, right? And here's where we set our liquidity for the meme coin. You will have to do this for every single coin. Now, for the token A, just make sure you tap on 90%. That is going to drop 900 million tokens. You are keeping basically 10% of the supply, and you will be making money off of that 10% and also off of every single transaction because of the creator fees. Now, right under for the amount token B, this acts as your initial buy-in. The Solana is not lost though, it's temporarily docked in the pool. You need at least 0.3 SOL and you will receive it all back later once the liquidity is removed. I'm going to put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more to be safe. Click on create pool, and once again just wait for your wallet to pop up and then click on confirm. When that is done, bro, make sure you click on the refresh button, then scroll down and boom, the Bitcoin is on live. Your profits will show up right here. And whenever you want, bro, when you want to check your profits, click on the refresh button. And now we're up 120 bucks, which is not too shabby. And yo, low-key bro, that's not bad for a couple seconds into the coin. Anyways, click on view on Photon to see the chart or Axiom, it's all up to you. Let me go on full screen. And now the coin is live. Let's fucking go. Come on, pump, 1.2k market cap. Now right now, okay, a $72 buy right after a $71 sell. Okay, $100 right here in profits. Let's fucking go. We might be up like around $400, $300, I'm not sure. This is absolutely insane. Okay, not bad. Okay, 20 bucks, $46. That's not bad, bro. I want more buyers though. We need more money in this coin. Come on, pump. Now guys, more and more people are going to start viewing and scanning and just seeing the chart, and that is how you get buyers, okay? Since this launched on the Raydium DEX using createcoins.io, well, your coin will receive a shit ton of attention, so you can convert that attention into buyers in your coin, and that is how you make money as a dev. Now, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back and we are at the 3k market cap, which is not too shabby. Now you have two options when you are ready to make some money. You could either wait for more money or you can cash out the existing money. Now, I am going to cash out. Come back to createcoins.io and obviously bro, click on the refresh button to check your profits. And as you guys can see bro, we are up $1,400 with a 3k market cap because we made money from the 10% supply and all the transactions. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin by clicking right here. And as you guys can see bro, I am going to receive around 11 Solana straight into my Phantom wallet. Click on confirm and poof, that's exactly how you launch Memecoin step by step, bro. I hope you learned something brand new. And if I open my Phantom wallet, boom, it's no joke, bro. I actually got the money inside my Phantom wallet. It's right here. Even though Solana is kind of down right in the past month, we still ended up making a bit of money. Now 1.4k could be a lot for you or it could be nothing for you. It's all up to you. Now guys, try out this method, bro. You have nothing to lose.